And today's video one, I am going to show you the how you can make PALKIA deal over 1500 damage. So you do need to have all three of those characters except the girl. You can replace her with any character that have potions, but I do recommend you to have that character as well. So if you have all three of them, definitely use it. And again, this does help you win battles. As you see, that's just an average PALKIA, but watch something about, as you see over this speed, when it's a critical attack. Wait, hold on, let me show you. There you go, there goes critical hit rate 1. That means he's gonna do over 1000 damage. And again, the only reason why he PALKIA did only 900 because the new world order thing I only activate 1, but this time is 0 out of 2. So watch, he's gonna do over 1500 damage, which is awesome. And again, all I'm saying, you can win troops, and if you're lucky, you pretty much can beat a troop without dying. But and again, that's not guaranteed, but this is a guarantee for you to win most of the time. So as you see, 1800, so which is awesome. 1800. So, and again, you need to have that Blastoise in the character as well. So you do need to have it. If you don't have that character, I don't think you won't be able to do the amount of damage without it. So, and check it out, new world order activated twice in a row if you can. It's an optional, but it will, if you activate both of them, it will do over 1000 damage. And for Blastoise, you do not need to do none. He just give the ability that one critical rating. So hold up, wait, there you go, critical hit rating 1. When that activate, watch, 1000. Look at that, over 1000. Oh man, pretty cool. But I guess to some people, no. Dude, he's awesome. And the bird we have is almost not a bird. What am I saying? That's ridiculous. Boo! Look at that. Over 1000 every time. So, and again, it will not work all the time. As you see, he only did 300 something damage, but see, that's 1000. When you say critical hit rate 1, means he's gonna do insane damage. And there you go. And like I said, you can win with this team. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.